Hello everyone, welcome back. And the next video in the object oriented programming series is on the topic change the prototype to a new object. Up until now, you have been adding property to the prototype individually like this: object name, then prototype, and then property. This becomes tedious after more than a few properties, means you have to again and again write the whole part. Instead of that, a more efficient way is to set the prototype to a new object that already contains the properties. This way, the properties are added all at once. Here we can see that inside bird.prototype, we are declaring both the properties at one place. Task for this challenge: add the property numLeaks and two methods each and described to the prototype of dog by setting the prototype to a new object. In that case, first dog.prototype numLeaks. In case of this, two for properties, property eat function console.log eating and describe and this will be also function console.log. Let's use backtick. Name is and inside dollar and braces this dot name. Looks okay. Oh, there was an error of extra parenthesis. Now looks good. Run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.